Guys, let's make slime. Let's make slime for 3 ingredients. I just hide the bubble, guys. Where's the bubble in it? Uy. Guys, the bubble just here. Okay, let's go. The bubble is here. And then let's find a clay. What? Let's just do this. And wow. And a water. This is my water, guys. This is my water. Let's make it here, guys. Let's make it here. Really? I think this is so good. Now let's repeat it. Let's repeat this, guys. Okay. Let's rip it, guys. Gamay lang natin iput dito, guys. Ooh, it's too much water. Guys, it's too much water. My mom will kill me of this. My mom will kill me. Ooh, it's so hard. Let's pro it. Let's go, guys. Wait, guys. Let's pro it, guys. Let's pro this because it's too hard. Oh, I just pull, guys. It's hard. Okay. We just pro it, guys. We just pro it. It's too much. I did not make a tomato, guys, but it's too hard to make, and I forgot to buy glue. Let's just make slime of like I saw in my phone because I saw that they need water and a bubble, and then make slime. Wait a minute. What is this? Guys, another strong boom. This is so strong. I will throw it without you guys, ha? Mom, I'm sorry if that is a noisy, guys. Guys, I cannot count this, guys. It's okay. Nami sa akong tindahan, guys. That's my mom saying, classmate me, guys, school. Just send the comments and where did you live, because guys, I don't even know how to English, guys. Guys, I don't even know English, or I'm speaking else, but I don't know even what I'm speaking. But I know English a little bit because my friend told me that I know English. Let's put it. Ooh. Guys, wait here. I will make bubbles. Guys, it spill over me. I just wash my hands. Wait, I will wash my hands. Guys, I'm done making. Oh, I will just lock the door. Done, guys. It looks like a slime now. Guys, I know to make a slime, but I will wait for to make activator, because I don't even know how to make activator. Oh, I know how to make to activator, but I will wait to wait. I wait to if you. I forgot to English, guys. Wait, guys. I thought that my phone is off. Oh, it's many bubble. Oh, it's so many bubble. I think my slime is growing. I will hold it. Wait. I think my slime is growing. My slime is think I ruined because it's mini bubble. I think that we need activator, guys. Guys, I will not talk. I will put this back. Guys, let's put it a little slime. Guys, the slime is a little because I give it to my friends and just left it for me. My friend is like 1 million because it's almost out. But my friend is just 4. We are 4. Oh no, I don't even know. We are so many, guys, but all my friends is not going to go to my house, guys. That my 4 friends, guys, going to my house all the time because she will to play with me. Guys, I will not speak anymore, guys. It's working, guys. It look like a slime. I will wash it. I will wash this. Actually, this is not my house, but this is just my tindahan, guys. But my house is too long to go there, but I don't want to go there because my mom will scold me if I hike over there. Because I forgot. I forgot to say, guys. I will shut up now, guys. Oh, guys. Guys. Ui. Ui ko, guys. Guys, langot kayo, guys. Kapin ko to, guys. Di ako uwi, guys, ha. Ano? Guys, we need activator, but I don't even have activator. Let's just put a bubble again. If is this not work, or if this not will stretch, I will be mad and get it. I will put it in the trash. Gosh. It's trash, guys. It's trash. Stretching, guys. I know you cannot know my English, but it's stretch. It's stretch. I cannot.
Kaya pa na ito itong Bunsa po ka mo galantaw ka?
It's stretching, guys. Guys, it's my hands dirty now, guys. But I'm not OE. Let's just take the slime over my hands. Let's just rolling, roll about. And just to squeeze, Marley. How to Guys, I think guys, isod kaayo guys. It's so hard to make it just a slime. To make a slime. To make a slime.
Pwede ka mag-isip kung mo nang gitab. Ano na? Bukan na na. Pwede na mag-isip sa pinang mo.
Guys, my cousin is here. She's there, but she don't want to come here. And guys,
Kung hindi lang ito kung nagbas ko kung sa ina ko kay Mapay Jute.
Tagal ng asin. 1 kilo. Tagal ng asin, 2 kilo. Dali dito pala. Oh. 1 kilo. Kailan karami mo ka na?
Itagbo na niiling at tuma. Sikreto na ilang duwag kate. Tagbo ra.
Para sa gula yung may pan ma ka ng malinday ko siling. Malinday ka kay bahay. Siya. Kung bilang katawa siya.
Lilisan din ka ito eh.
Sabi mo malinday ma sa
Sinakuha lang 30 mil. Piyansa ka.
Di ba malinday ko siling kaya mo tayo may naglisyon siya.
guys,
Katawa naman
Kanya
siya.
isang simana ra makata yung 5 mil.
patay ito guys. Take it guys. Oh, my mom did scold me.
40 días.
Sugot, is barely 40 dias dugay. 40 dias.
Ah, dili ba kang iling? Bayonon? Kanang 5 mil balik ka 40 días. Ayan.
Oh, nilagyan 5 mil na balon sa munisipyo. Isang simana naman to.
Ang ihang balsa grilisan ka ba? 40 días ang umaman.
Adali ra pwede 40 dias.
Guys,
Ay
think I don't want to make slime again.
Karon lagi mo panahon na mag-abot og kapital.
Guys, I put slime. Oh,
Sundang, ay kadang-kadang atang sumbong lang.
guys, it's so fine. I will change dress. Oh,
Kaya ka puno sa tawag lang. Kaya dili ka akong patawag nimo, wala na ko lek. Ang giunan lagi nako. Giunan na ko lek.
Siya naman yung isog ng kayo.
Bisog ko, lumaningil gali dili ta isug-isugan. Dapat tarungon ta. Kun tarong betag pangutang ya, inyo na naon ta pag paningil.
wait, guys, wait, wait.
Kami ato niya karon kay sila nang iningil, sila mihan ha.
Sila, ma.
Malagi po daw.
Nya isog kay sila matay. No, sin mo ka. Na. Di na mo slime ron.
Yan po rin, wala nang-
Na.
Guys, my mom just scolded me. My mom just scolded me, guys. Oh, guys, just. Wait. Wait a minute. Guys, I'll not change just because why? I will just take it off this naughty slime. I will take this naughty slime. It's not reaching again.
Boss,
Ah!
ay pa doon na electric pa na.
Ah! Mau! Mau! Ilis ako!
Ha?
Ilis ako!
Mad.
Ilis!
Unya ra babasa pa.
Guys, unya ratag kay mag-ilis ko guys kay basa pa kaayo akong sanina kay gahapon pag gilaba. Gihapon pa ang giwash ako ang clothes guys. Nga na ako. I will tomorrow ra ko unya ra ko mag-change. Yeah. Let's make another slime, guys. I will find another clay. I will put it here. Wait.
Ito mga bata na kayo tunan. Nakikita sa kagaw.
Buat, das Minoy.
At parang si Pinoy na kagaw.
Basa.
Right ba? Kayo. Kita brato ng panoy patilain ng iring ang mga tao na. Ang tao na sa mga rasa na lang pag tilaan ng mga bato. Mo din na tao yun na ano restaurant mo.
Guys, the next line is this. I just have another pink slime. So many. Let's make it. This is for your this is I forgot again. This video is for you, guys. Ting, ting, ting. Wait, guys, I will undam the slime. Toy, the slime is have a toy. I did not put it there, ha. I did not put it there. I will just sagol this, guys. Sagol ko sila. Guys. Okay, like that, guys. Sagol na. Sagol na. Gumahi siya, guys. Maghimo na pud ako ulit ng bubbles guys. Dito natin ibutang guys. Mama, indot tong tagay tama. Tama dito tong ka. Tama guys, isrado natin para i-mix natin ang syrup at napasok guys. Iabok ko ng tubig guys. This is have a little bubble. May na-stock dito guys. Oh, may stock.
Champion. Ha? Ay, ito ka ko ito ta. Ay, sakali. Uy. Ay, tagang tabok na kaya ng truck. Tatanawin ko na may ganito pa ba? Clay, may clay pa ako. Isasagol ko dito.
Wait lang. Guys, wala na guys. Kaninang slime guys. Sumana na guys. Bye-bye.